shoved it in his ass, yeah, I gave him my love.
I farted in my grandpa's breathing machine.
Mouth wiggling dick.
I just wanna get high on my love.
Something's in my ass.
Here comes the, y'all don't really want it like that.
And it's going to cause more anger among Muslims around the world.
There's plenty of anger right now. How can you have more?
You don't think it'll exacerbate
David,
the problem?
David, I mean, I know you're a sophisticated guy. The world is a mess. The world is as angry as it gets. Well, you think this is going to cause a little more anger? The world is an angry place. All of this has happened. We went into Iraq. We shouldn't have gone into Iraq. We shouldn't have gotten out the way we got out. The world is a total mess.
There's two of them! Sniper's hit three. Falling behind.
It smells so good. Ow.
Looks like you gotta get diddied up. Yo! Yo!
Yeah, they're
I was in Ohio before I met you. I risk too much and that's an issue, but I'm gonna shake. Tell your friends it was nice to risk them, but I hope I never edge again.